everyone, Julie here. Today I'm going to show you how to peel the labels off those pesky kombucha bottles. It's perfect for when you're brewing your own kombucha and you want to get that nice carbonation that you get usually from GTs. So as you can tell, that's what I'm using today. I'm sure this works for other kombucha bottles, but just to be on the safe side, if you have some GTs lying around, go ahead and use those. So what you need are your empty kombucha bottles and a tea kettle full of water, or a boiling pot full of water would work too. So after you heat up your water and get it going nice, you just want to pour it inside your kombucha bottles. It will be hot, so just be careful. I usually keep a mitten around just in case. And what this does is it allows the glue to sort of break down and let you peel the label off easily. As you can see here, this is before we learned this method. We have this nasty label that kind of got half peeled, a lot of glue everywhere. So what you want to do is just secure your lids back on, and then if you need to, you can use your glove. And then you want to start right here where the seam is, where you would normally start if you were just trying to peel it by hand anyway. And then you just want to slowly peel the label off. Like I said, that warm water will allow the glue to pull off pretty easily. And then you just want to save back this label because you're going to use it again to get all the excess glue that sort of sticks to the sides. And I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So once you've done that, you can dump your water back out. You kind of want it to cool just a tad before you start getting the rest of the glue. Otherwise, if it's really warm, it's just going to keep pulling the glue off the label and putting it back on the bottle, and nobody wants that. So now that your lid's back on securely, you just want to take your old label, and I usually break it into about 3 pieces, just because it's a little big for my hand. And just lightly go over the glue, like that. So as you do it, you'll see it starts to slowly pull the glue up. And you can very easily get a nice, clean, and clear bottle. Like I said, you just want to repeat this all the way around, and your hands will get a little sticky if you're doing multiple bottles in a row. Just keep that in mind. So I like to use my forearm and run it over the clear glass just to make sure that all the glue is up. After you do this, you can rinse out your bottles and put them in the dishwasher, or just boil them and use them in your kombucha. Okay, so now I have all the glue off my bottle and it is ready for use. Another thing, if you've already tried to peel your own labels off and you got something similar to this, what you can do is you can just peel the label off like we did the other ones. It might take a little longer because it's in little pieces. You can also use a scraper from the dollar store. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. And then remember the label I told you to break into thirds because it's a little large? You can use this to get off the glue on your second bottle. So I hope this helped you brew your kombucha and you have a successful batch or two. Let me know in the comments below if you have any success, or if you find that this method's working for other jars or bottles or anything like that. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.